So we finally got our new project car here at VMP, but we decided it has just a little bit too much tire left on it. Doesn't look too flapped out yet. Yeah, fender's a little rough.
See, here's the fender that I just wanted out. And then if you look at the roof, it's all
Okay, so
So it's a premium package car. It's a premium package car.
yeah,
Heated seats.
it's got heated.
it should have everything for S197.
Yeah.
Every option.
Yep.
401A car.
Well, it's got GoPro mounts already.
Yeah.
Might have a little something to do with what happened to it.
Oh, you guys didn't do that?
No, it came with a GoPro mount.
That's scary.
I like the wing. It's a Cali special wing on a non-Cali special.
So, they would actually have to put that on there, I guess.
Right.
Okay.
Or Laguna Seca or Cali. That's a 14
So I guess-
Cali special.
That's what you do when you see the big cold air intake on it and the plate kit.
Okay. Oh, bone stock. I like bone stock. No.
Cold air.
Yeah, it looks like they even have the.
Did they
Just letting the noise
keys
too.
in it?
This thing's completely virgin under the hood.
Like nothing done to it.
Boy, bone stock and everything, got the cats and everything.
Yes.
Well, but he's got Flowmasters in the back though.
One chamber.
Oh.
One chamber format.
Not stock.
Noisy.
But he left the stock tips on there?
Yeah, I think you love it, man. It's a muffler delete. Looks like basically.
Oh.
You know, it's just a muffler delete. It probably sounds decent. You know, because it's got
With
resonators
cats and
with cats.
Give us
Oh
some
wow!
support
So
on
what
that.
did he run over? Holy
Oh,
crap!
yeah.
The radiator supports jump. The AC.
See that?
AC condensers
wow.
jump. Oh my god! So the fender liner's gone, both sides. So
Yeah, he had to replace the front spindle, the strut, tie rod.
I mean, look, it went through, you know, some Dukes of Hazzard stuff, but whatever. It runs and drives, and the radiator
Roscoe
support.
Pico train.
The radiator support isn't bad.
Support isn't bad, it's just the condenser.
Yeah, you fixed
I think
that.
there's just zip ties holding the
That's-
positive
yeah.
cable on right there.
That's amazing. This thing still holds coolant.
Right?
A testament
the
to Ford's
condenser.
composite radiator.
This just needs a long burnout, like a 3-gear burnout. Board showing on the tires. That's what it needs.
Just
like
get
right
it
over
tested
there.
out.
Yeah, just
Just
let's
make
go for a
sure.
test drive. Just, woo. Pop. I'm dead serious. Dude, this is perfect to take a bone stock car down the track. Cause who has ever taken a bone stock car down the track? You know what that though?
Won't pop.
It popped earlier.
It might be dead now that I tried to crank on it.
Oh, maybe it might work on that.
Check out them battery
Do it again,
cables,
do it
yo.
again.
Yeah, I know, I see that. They're all it's so sketchy.
Because if it's that nice,
Mike,
you
do me a
just kind of
favor,
rush it up
because
sometimes and be like,
I want my car to start every day.
or just press it.
I don't know where that goes.
I can't
The
guarantee
marker
that.
lights blink.
I can't guarantee it's gonna fire off with this.
Rattling up there?
That's what I'm listening to.
When the 2011 first came out, there were a couple weird things about the first run cars. Let's see when this one was built. 5 of 10.
Wow,
This
that's okay.
was one of the first
This was one of the first ones.
5.0s built. I mean, I think Rebecca's car was 6 of 10. So this
You guys
is
had that ordered
literally
ready to go.
first off the assembly line.
We figured out why it's not leaking.
What?
It already
Oh,
leaked.
A coolant in it? Sweet.
The visor looks like the
Oh,
hood.
that's kind of like nifty.
It's made to look like the hood. Only in 11, 12. 13, 14, they went to the flaps.
Rotate it off.
Now it's moving.
All right, so we unloaded the car, got it ready to go. Thought we were gonna go have a little fun, do some baseline numbers on the dyno maybe, go drive it, see how it acts. Notice it's a little low on coolant. It's been sitting at the parts farm who knows how long, so just figured we'd throw some coolant in it. Of course, it's never that easy. So me and Brian get looking down here and notice somebody threw a fastball at the front of our condenser and radiator. And I'm assuming that's where all my water is leaking out of. So we're gonna take the car inside, check the brakes, check the oil, figure out how to make it stop leaking coolant, which is probably just gonna mean a radiator. And then we'll try to have some fun with it. All right, now that we've got the new radiator and the new condenser in the car, I'm just gonna top off some of the fluids, make sure everything's ready to go, and then I think it's time for a little bit of VMP quality control in the Burnout box to make sure Chucky's ready to hit the track. I'm gonna go ahead and say that Chucky passed quality control with flying colors, but we need to get back in the shop and decide what we're gonna do with our new car and our quest for a budget horsepower build. We definitely know that we need some new tires now, and she could use a little bit of cosmetic work. Make sure you tune into the next episode of Project Chucky to find out what we do with the car next. Be sure to subscribe our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the new episodes and content.